me to unbox my new laptop, HP laptop, guys. Join me to unbox my new laptop, my new HP. I just got it today. I went because I placed an order for it, for a new laptop, because I needed a new laptop. My old laptop is broken because of my kids. They broke the screen. The screen of my laptop is destroyed, is damaged, as in I cannot see anything while I'm using the laptop. So that's why I got this new laptop. So guys, share my live video so you can join me to unbox it. It has already been loosed at the office because I told them to install the window, the antivirus, and many other things. So they should help me to install it, so it will just be easy for me while using the laptop, because I cannot sit and be installing all those things. So they have installed it. You can see it, there's a rotate piece because they installed the laptop in the office. So guys, this is it. So let's open it. Let's unbox it. You can see it's new. I just picked it up today, guys. So guys, this is my sisters. Let's unbox it. I'm so happy to finally got a new laptop. This one, I'm going to keep it safe. I will not allow my kids to come close to this laptop. Now see, this is HP laptop, guys. This is HP laptop. So guys, let's unbox it. Let's see. Share my life, guys. Thank you. Okay. Look at this one, guys. You can see my laptop. My new laptop, guys. Wow. This is amazing. Because it's tear over. Yeah. Guys, this HP laptop. My new HP laptop. Guys, look at this. Brand new. I just got it today. And one thing is that this laptop is on insurance. So if it breaks, I'll get a new one. If the screen is damaged, they are going to fix it and give me back. So I paid an insurance for it because I have kids. So I have kids, that's why I paid insurance, so that mistakenly my kids can take it and they may pour water on it. So if they pour water on it, it's going to get fixed. So they're going to fix it for me. Or if by mistake, like I'm taking it outside and it goes stolen, it's either they give me half of the money or they give me a brand new HP. So guys, let's unbox it. What is this? This is my charger. Guys, I hope you are seeing my, or is it dark? It's look a bit dark, guys. Look a bit dark. I feel it's not bright. So guys, this is the laptop. I'm so happy. I'm so happy to finally got a new laptop. I'm very, very much happy. Very happy. So, and it's very light too. It's not heavy. The laptop is very light. The laptop is very light, guys. It's not that heavy. Very, very light. And it's carrying. Okay, guys. See, guys? Wow. 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 Wow, guys. Can you see that? Can you see the new HP laptop? They installed Windows 11 for me, guys. Look at it. That's it. Okay. Let's kind of on it. So guys, this is my new laptop. It's like each laptop is different ways. See it? Thank you guys, thanks for joining. It's just so light. It's so much, it's very light guys. Let's see how I've on it. Sweet. That's it. They have installed everything inside. Windows 11. I think Windows 11, yeah. Windows 11 Pro, I think Windows 11. I don't really know, sure, but I'll check it and see. I think it's Windows 11. See. Wow. This is amazing. I need to put my internet, connect my internet. I need to connect my internet. I'm so happy I got a new laptop. At least I'll be able to work on my YouTube, my page, and everything also, because sometimes my work I need this also. I'm very happy because it's very light. The laptop is very light, guys. It's not heavy, easy to carry, guys. So easy to carry. I'm using this because I'm making a video with my other phone. So I'm using my old phone. So guys, that's why it may not be bright as old phone. So guys, so this is it. And this is the charger. I have so many laptop chargers, so probably I'm gonna keep this one. Yeah. The one I wanted to buy was a bit cheaper than this, but they told me that this one is quality, is more strong. It's more strong. So now I can be able to do video. I can do video with my laptop. I can even do video with my laptop. I can do video with my laptop and everything. I'm so happy. At least I got a new laptop. At least my kid is not going to disturb me, guys. What do I like this laptop in? It's light. It's not that heavy. It's just very flat, easy to carry about. Easy to carry about. There is something I ordered last time while I was unboxing. I bought it for my keypad is it keyboard? Yeah. So I'm going to put it here so that water will not mistakenly touch it and all that. And it's also for using to clean the laptop and everything. So easy. Can be able to do all kinds of things because my phone has a lot of things. My bank app, everything is on my phone. So my bank card, everything is on my phone. So now all my app, everything, I'll transfer it into my laptop so that not my phone to be over full. I don't want my phone to be over full. So I'll transfer everything to my new laptop. Guys, so how do you guys see this? How do you guys see this? How do you see it? HP. Is HP the strongest? Is HP the strongest laptop? So that is all. I wanted to unbox it on camera. That is all. This is empty. This one was just for the screen. So guys, thanks for joining. Thanks for joining and thanks for watching. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm so happy. So what is remaining on my laptop is to put Office. I'm yet to install Office because sometimes I'm studying I'm going for computer classes, so I need Office, I need Excel and all those things. So I need to install Office on my new laptop. That is the only thing I've not installed. That is the only thing I've not yet installed on my laptop. So very soon, every other thing, you can see it. See guys, Spotify, you can see everything is there. So when I buy the Office, I will install it. I'll have my Excel, PowerPoint, Office, Outlook, Word, and so on and so forth. So, then guys, thanks for your support on Facebook. This is not yet getting paid, so I have to do live. I have to come on live in order to complete the 60 minutes. So I'm in Greece, so I don't know yet, but I did they brought me a setting, so I apply. I was wait for 2 weeks and all that. So I waited for 2 weeks. I hope you guys can also support me with Star. Star will be okay for me, guys. I just pray you guys can support me with Star and everything because it's not easy. It's not easy. No work is easy. Today I went to work and I'm just coming back from work, so it's not easy, guys. Okay, thanks for joining. Let's switch to the other phone. Let's switch to the other phone, guys. Thanks for joining me. So because I'm very hungry, I want to make food. I came back from work. I went out. Because they are doing sales in supermarket, so I need to buy clothes and all sorts of some stuffs. I need to pay bills, many other stuffs. So I went to supermarket to buy things, not supermarket, shops exactly, to get some things like clothes and all that because they are doing sales. So I need to get them because if they are not doing sales, guys, it's very expensive. So when they are doing sales, you find the shops are like this. You find a lot of people, and it takes time before you even get to the cashier. Oh my God, you are going to meet about 10 people on the road, even though there are 3 cashiers. You are going to meet about 10 people before you can pay and get your stuffs. So I read all that, and I took the kids to lesson, took the kids out. They have eaten, they are asleep, the kids are asleep. So that's why I see I have chance to do video. When my kids are asleep, I come out, I do my video, do my thing and everything before they wake up. Because when they wake up, you are going to hear their voice. So guys, I'm very hungry right now. No, I've not eaten. So I came back from work, I've not eaten. I've just been eating fruits and snacks. I need to eat any food. Baku with obolo soup. You guys will join me. Maybe you guys will join me to eat it. Baku and obolo soup. Confirm one. Okay guys, let's off this one. Later I'll come back to my laptop. So later I'll come back to this off.